Dynasty. We're back with another YouTube video, guys. If you guys haven't liked, comment, shared, make sure you guys do that down below. And yeah, guys, today we are bringing our dog to the vet so she can get her puppy. Yeah, my puppy right here, my baby. I'm gonna call her my boo-boo, my baby. And she's gonna get, you know, her shots today at the vet. And right now we're on our way. I don't know, I'm like excited and everything because she's gonna get her shots. And I mean, like, I don't know if it's gonna hurt her, but let's hope that she will be, you know, she will be good. And, you know, everything will be good. And it turns out great. Guys, we just made it to our destination. We are here, as you can see. And here she is.
This is just a dewormer. Hey, baby, come here. I know. Good job. I know, it's yucky. It's yucky. This is the Bordetella. This goes through her nose, so she'll be a little sneezy today, okay? Okay. Come here, give me a little face. I know. I know. Oh, I know. All right, got a little bit more. You got a little more. A little bit more. Good job. Good job. And then just one injection that's going to go back here. So she might be a little sore today right where that injection is, okay? Okay. I know, baby. I know. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, I know. I know, baby. I know. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, I know. I know, baby. That hurt. This is a mosquito bite. Okay. So those were your vaccines today. That's your vaccine certificate. There. All right, and then I need you guys check that out first. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Ok, Big Family Dynasty, finally, ya estamos en nuestra casa, así que fuimos a llevar nuestra puppy hoy a su cita. Y hoy le pusieron la primera vacuna y ya me dieron otra appointment para ponerle la segunda vacuna. Así que sabían, como le había comentado en el otro video, que ella estaba enfermita y pues que estaba bajo cuidado. Por eso la tenía en la jaulita, porque el doctor me había dicho que había que tenerla separada porque no estaba vacunada, más estaba enfermita y estaba en tratamiento. Pero siempre se sacaba a la perrita para afuera, siempre se le daba amor, así que siempre le damos todo el cariño del mundo porque es nuestra puppy y ella está muy bien. Así que hoy ella está contenta y ya ella no está enferma. Gracias por sus oraciones, gracias por todo. Así que ella está por allá atrás con NEYSHALY, con Rashira.
Hi guys, so we're with the puppy, because I can't say her name yet, but we're with the puppy and she's happy. We're just playing with her here. She has her new clothes. We bought her Paris. It's really cute. A little princess right here. It's like really cute. Yeah. Alright, so today we're going to be announcing her official name that we hardly thought about, because y'all gave us some good names that we had to choose from, but we got the perfect name that we're gonna, you know, call her. That we're gonna name her.
Ok, pero los otros no están aquí porque mi esposo se fue a pescar. Anda de pesca con los otros muchachos, con los varones, con los otros hijos míos. Y por eso no los ven aquí. Así que nosotros vamos a anunciar el nombre de nuestra princesita. Muchos nos dieron muchas ideas. Luna, Princess, muchos, ¿verdad? Muchos nombres.
So many names.
Y beautiful names.
Yeah.
Fue bien difícil para escoger, así que toditos nosotros, entre mis nenes, mi esposo, yo, pues escogimos un nombre y se lo vamos a anunciar para que puedan conocer su nombre, cómo se va a llamar nuestra puppy.
For the rest of
her life.
Her life, her video, whatever. Like. Okay, so we're gonna say her name in the count of 3, alright?
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3. Chanel!
Su nombre va a ser
Chanel. So Chanel is actually a beautiful name, as well as the others that y'all commented and put. But this is a good name for her that we thought, because you know she's our princess, a little princess here.
Yeah.
And Chanel is just a good name for her cute little face and how she's gonna grow. Chanel. She's like really cute. She's like a teddy bear.
Say hi to them.
Say hi.
Hi. I am little princess.
He's so confused.
Soy una pequeñita princesa.
Right, Chanel? And yeah, so she's a baby and she's starting to bite because her teeth are growing.
¡Ay! Oh my God, ya está bien contenta. Oh, it wanna bite.
So she's starting to bite things like a pillow or anything she sees. If she's on the floor and she sees something, she's gonna bite it. So that's why we're just trying to teach her to not bite because we don't want that. But yeah, guys, her name is Chanel. Chanel, so
Chanel Princess.
Princess Chanel or Queen Chanel. So yeah, her name is Chanel. And but yeah, guys, her name is Chanel. The beautiful Chanel.
It's a beautiful name,
It's really like we wanted to get like a name that rarely people have that is like special for her. Like we don't want all the names are pretty that y'all just ask us to do, but we wanted to get a name that is unique. All names are unique, but for her, a little dog, Chanel was a beautiful name for her.
Sí, ya vieron que ya anunciamos el nombre de nuestra princesa. Su nombre es Chanel.
Yeah.
Ok. Si les gustó el nombre, por favor comenten abajo. Si les gustó el nombre que le pusimos a nuestra puppy, Chanel. Así que, sin más preámbulos, nos vamos a despedir de este video. Así que déjenos un corazoncito. Cuando comenten, nos dejan un corazoncito. ¿Qué color?
Pink.
Pink.
That's Chanel's favorite color.
Un corazoncito
and
pink.
plus she has pink on, so
Yeah,
yeah, pink.
Hashtag Chanel with a pink heart.
Si te gustó el nombre de nuestra puppy, Chanel, nos comentan y nos ponen un corazoncito pink, rosa, ¿ok? Así que, si te gustó este video, no te olvides de suscribirte a nuestro canal.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and do all those stuff. And put the post notifications on so you guys can receive any video that we do with Chanel or any video that we do of pranks, because I got some ideas coming for her, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. So subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so y'all can receive all the videos that we upload. We hope you got a good day and hope you enjoyed this video.
Y todas le vamos a decir, we love you guys.